everybody, welcome. It's Dr. Nicole from Healing Hands, and I have a question for you. Why doesn't everyone do it? So that's the question that I had from one of my patients who just recently started care. They're about 1 or 2 weeks into starting their care here in our office, and she had a really great question. She said, Dr. Nicole, if everybody has stress and trauma to their body, then doesn't everybody have spinal subluxations? And I said, pretty much yes they do. See, your spine is exactly like your teeth. So think about this for a moment. If you were to, when you were young in age and you started to get your teeth in, and if you were to never brush your teeth, or if you were to never go to the dentist on a regular basis, by the time you were 30 or 40 years old, what do you think your teeth would be like? Yeah, you guessed it. Pretty much rotten, right? Well, the same is true for your spine. From the day that you're born, into the planet, we have different stressors and different traumas that we all go through that causes stress and trauma and dysfunction to the spine and to the nervous system. And so as we go through life, all these different stressors not only cause the spine to shift further and further out of alignment, but it causes a lot of tension and stress to the nervous system and the delicate nerves that exit the spine, which can create disease in the body. So subluxations or spinal misalignments happen way back when. So when a person, or they start when we're kids, right? So when a person comes to me and they're in their 30s, their 40s, or their 50s, it's kind of like going to the dentist and never going to the dentist before, and then asking the dentist when you're 50 years old why your teeth are so bad. So I just wanted to shed a little bit of light on how subluxations happen, that yes, everybody, or pretty much everybody on the planet has them, just the same way that everybody would have cavities if you didn't brush your teeth. But just because their spinal problems are very common, it does not mean that they're healthy. And so there's a very big difference between something that's common and something that's healthy. So hopefully that answered that question for you guys. Thanks so much for sending in your questions. And of course, if you need any more information on anything that we talked about, just reach out. We're more than happy to help.